Well, uninstalling Firefox like this will not remove your user data. The bookmarks, history, passwords, profile folder, they are still there. And in this video, installing Firefox on a Mac like this doesn't actually uninstall you. Your profile, setting, and extension still survive. And in next few minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can delete these folders manually, such that if let's say you are reinstalling it back again, you do not see your previous data. Alright, so for that, what we need to do is we can actually close these apps because we already have installed it. Now in your Macintosh, you need to click here on Finder. In Finder, let's open library, and here now we need to look for Firefox. Now here you need to look for application support, and here look for Firefox. If you do not see Firefox, then probably Mozilla is the correct word. So now here I saw the Mozilla folder. Ideally this folder should not exist as we have installed the app, but this is the thing, Now what I can do here is I can select the folder and then I can move this to the trash. So here I need to enter my password, and now this folder is gone. So why deleting this folder was important? Because this folder contains your profile, extension, all settings, session data, and everything. Now let's talk about the temporary folders. Temporary folder you may able to find in library and now in cache. So let's open this cache folder, and here also you need to look for Firefox, and seems like Firefox doesn't exist here. So that's a kind of good thing, but let's say if in case you see it, you can select the Firefox or Mozilla and can delete it. Now let's talk about deleting preferences. For that, let's again go here in library, look for preferences. Now in preferences, you need to look for PLIST file for Mozilla Firefox. If that doesn't exist, then it's well and good. Else look for any Firefox playlist. Now let's again go back to library. Now look for saved application state. If there is any, then you can delete that, or you also should look for containers, and here also we don't have any containers. If you do have, you can delete that, and then there could be group containers as well. Of course you need to delete that as well. Once all these folders are deleted, congratulations, you have successfully deleted all the user files, and now probably I can open the browser and can reinstall Firefox. So in this way guys, we can completely reset our Firefox, and same technique can be utilized for resetting other macOS applications. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.